This is my homework of a kid. Carlo buy a new car. It's a very expensive car. It's a huge, blue and fast car. While driving down the street, Carlo see a girl on the bicycle. She has a blonde hair and is beautiful. He yelled, "What's up?" She is nodding. He yelled, "How's it going?" She keeps going and is nodding. He yelled, "Hey, why won't you talk to me? I want to go to dinner with you. I will take you to an expensive restaurant." The girl turns and gets off her bike and looks at him. She said, "I don't want to go to dinner with you, but if you give me your car, I will give you a surprise." He says, "So okay." Then he jumps out his car and gives her the key. He says, "Here's the key." The beautiful blonde takes the key, then kisses Carlo on the chest. Then she jumps into the car and rides away. Carlo stands on the sidewalk. Now she has no car and no girl. He says, "That's it? That's a kiss on the cheeks?" He gets on her bike and rides off.